right, special thanks to this company for sending us their off-road car to unbox and show you. This is a 2.4 gigahertz wireless off-road RC car. So two-wheel drive, a vibration suspension system, powerful high torque motor, climbing heights with grip tires, 3.7 volt rechargeable battery, and colorful lights. Those on the front. Let's go ahead and open this up. Not much around the box. Basically same pictures and information everywhere. Let's take a look in here. See what we have. And that's it for the box. So a nice little user's guide here right on top. This will give you instructions of everything, and we'll give you all the information you should need to know. Take off the top here. We've got the actual little controller. So forward, backwards, and this seems to be your steering. And of course, there's just a little on-off switch there. Your batteries go in at the bottom. Take out the screw, pop in your batteries, you're good to go. And then there's the RC car itself. We'll get to that in a moment. But underneath here, we have some goodies. So we have the little charging cable needed to charge the battery. We have the little 500 milliamp hour battery here, and some AA batteries for the remote, and then a little screwdriver to get those screws out. Now this is the actual RC car. Nice simple on-off switch here on the bottom. This is how you control the straightness of these wheels. So it's set to the middle where it should be, and you take out your screw to put in your rechargeable battery here on the bottom. It does though have the shocks that you can see back in there. So that's pretty cool. Love that kind of stuff. And of course, it's green and small and really fast. So absolutely love it. That'll do it for this off-road RC car unboxing. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Deuces.